Hi everyone and welcome back to another video in my channel, Orderflow with Ethan. So my name is Ethan and I've been trading order flows for 4 years now. So I'm 20 years old and I started this field when I was 16. So throughout these years I have built massive knowledge in order flow, and here am I on YouTube explaining it to you and sharing my knowledge with you. So this is the 12th video in this channel named Why You Keep Getting Trapped. Liquidity explained. So the market is designed to trap you, and you should be smart enough to outsmart the market. So most traders think the market moves randomly or based on indicators, but in reality, price moves for one main reason: to find the liquidity. In this video, I'm going to show you what liquidity really is, how the market uses it, and how you can stop getting trapped and start trading with it. Well, what is liquidity? It is where orders are sitting in the market. This includes stop losses, breakout entries, and pending orders from retail traders. For example, if a lot of traders place their stop losses below a support level, that area becomes a pool of liquidity. And the market is naturally drawn to these areas because that's where large players can execute their positions. So if you start watching with this mind, you'll notice a pattern: price rarely moves in a straight line. It moves in a sequence: build liquidity, sweep liquidity, and move in the actual direction. And this happens on every time frame. What actually looks like randomness is actually a very structured process. The market is constantly searching for liquidity, taking it, and then moving efficiently once it has it. So why does market hunt liquidity? Big players can't enter or exit trades like retail traders. They need large amounts of volume. So instead of chasing price, they move price toward areas where liquidity exists. And this is why you often see price break a level, trigger stops, and then reverse immediately. And that move isn't random. It's the market collects liquidity before going in the real direction. So here's what most traders get caught. They see a breakout, they enter late, and they place their stop loss in the most obvious place. The market then moves just enough to hit those stops, creates a liquidity, and then reverses again. And this is what we call a trap. And those are basically trap traders. And we'll have a video later which is going to explain the setup of trap traders in order flow and how it works. And trust me, it happens every single day. So to avoid getting trapped, you need to stop thinking like a retail. Instead of entering at obvious breakouts, wait and watch how the price reacts after liquidity is taken. Look for signs of rejection, absorption, or a shift in order flow. So even with imbalances, mistakes are very common. For example, you can take trades and enter trades without confirming the follow through. It can trap you on false moves. So example, you're taking a trade without having a real confirmation whether the price is going to break out or reverse. This can trap you in false moves. You ignore the market context, you don't see any balance, you don't trade with delta, you don't see how the minimum delta and max delta has emerged throughout the market and where the POC is actually playing. So an imbalance in a strong trend looks different than in a range. So chasing small imbalances with no real liquidity, these often fail also. So being patient and disciplined is the key. Focus on clear, aggressive imbalances and supportive context for best results, but best to combine the POC with imbalances and with delta. The market isn't random and it's not against you. It's just built around liquidity. Once you understand that, you will first understand the market behavior and how the market basically works. You understand the emotions and psychology of the market, and you'll also stop guessing and start seeing the market for what it really is. So thank you so much for your time again watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video tomorrow when I'm going to cover important topics. So please do leave a comment if you can, and please do let me know if you have any questions. Also, please make sure to subscribe and like this video because it's gonna help me make more content for you and it's gonna support the channel. So thank you so much for your time watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a great day.